This is just one of those perfect days you cannot let go to waste. Perfect weather, clear paths, and lots on my mind. Today we're going for a quick stroll, so grab your gear and let's get to it.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana SUPERNOVA, and today I'm going for a walk. I wanted to bring you guys along with me because I was like, this is almost like a day one, like a day one out of forever. And I was like, I need to record this. This is a moment, y'all. Mag isn't with me today. I actually don't know where he is. He went out, took the car. I don't know where he went. Usually we go out working out together, but I could not wait because I have to work. And yeah, I just needed to go now because if I didn't go now, I wasn't gonna go. Whew. This is just going to be a brisk walk. Hopefully I could get 2 miles in just to kind of warm up. If I have time, I'll go to the gym. If not, then I'll just have to hit the gym tomorrow, wake up earlier maybe, and hit the gym tomorrow. I was literally just speaking to one of my neighbors. I think it's so amazing. I was just speaking to one of my neighbors and she was like, oh, Meg just interrupted me. He just called and was like, yeah, he's at Home Depot. He's getting together our mudroom. If you guys aren't already following our family channel, the name is Live Love Lucius. I'll leave a link to it down below where you can follow us. And yeah, essentially on that channel, it's going to be a lot of organization, family vlogs, a lot of lifestyle. So if you're into those kind of videos, feel free to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. So yeah, one of my neighbors was like, yeah, I need to start going walking and I want to start going with you. I had to make sure that door was shut, security purposes. But yeah, and I was like, oh, that sounds great. Yeah, come with me. She was like, yeah, I'll come in the cooler months. The cooler months of what? We live in Florida. It's like, and then we live in the most humid, hot region of Florida where it does not even get cold ever. Maybe like one day out of the year. Maybe 1 month out of the year where maybe like a couple days it's cold. So pretty much I don't have a workout partner because I don't think she's ever going to come, but I'm going to try and coerce her to come because if you have somebody who's like an accountability partner, somebody who could kind of, I don't know, keep you grounded, I think that's always a good thing. So I'm very much so open to her joining me. That'll be quite the venture. But I said that to say this, why not start today? Hey guys, so I just came back from the workout. Pardon the glisten. So I was literally just talking about how my neighbor was like, yeah, she wants to join, but she doesn't want to start until, the cooler months, etc., etc. And I was just talking about how, how silly that was because we don't really have a cooler month here. And it just got me thinking throughout my walk, and let me have a seat. It got me thinking, like, why not now? Why push? If it's something you really want to do, why not start now? And that's kind of how my journey even started. It's not that I need to work out, not that I have to work out. I'm not like prepping to have a child right now. I'm not prepping for any kind of competition. I started this journey a long time ago, far long ago, when I was at what my current goal weight is, you know what I'm saying? So it's always been something I've strived for. I've always strived to have better health, to do better for myself, etc., to better what I look like, better how I think. I always strive for that. And it's like, why not start now? What are you saving for tomorrow that you can accomplish today? And I'm actually gonna make that question of the day. So leave your response in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, I didn't give you an update on how my workout went. So I only did 1.2 miles. I didn't go too far because I have to work this evening. I should have probably started earlier. So I'll go ahead and continue doing videos like this. I'll continue keeping you updated so that you're aware of exactly what's going on in my journey. That way, we're accountability partners now. Hi, accountability partner. If you enjoyed this video and like workout videos just like this one, don't forget to leave this a big thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.